Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Instant Pot air fryer is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own. It combines the speed of pressure cooking with the crispy results of air frying, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. From perfectly cooked meats and vegetables to delicious desserts, this appliance can do it all. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to Instant Pot air fryer cooking to explore its full potential. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Cookbook. Are you ready to explore the world of Instant Pot cooking? This cookbook is filled with affordable, easy, and delicious recipes. It's perfect for beginners. This book focuses on recipes designed for the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. It makes cooking simple and enjoyable. You'll love the crispy results. Inside, you'll find recipes that are both budget-friendly and easy to follow. It simplifies the cooking process. It's a great resource for everyday meals. If you're new to the Instant Pot, this cookbook is for you. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It will guide you every step of the way. Get ready to create amazing meals with your Instant Pot. This cookbook will become your go-to guide. It's time to start cooking. What we like. This cookbook focuses on simplicity. It offers easy-to-follow recipes perfect for those new to air frying. If you're just starting out with your Instant Pot air fryer and want delicious meals without the fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. This cookbook has numerous recipes that I can fry, bake, grill, or roast, and what most important, cook my food with little or absolutely without oil. This book has them. So many new recipes. Simple description. This cookbook had a very good variety of recipes, i.e., meat and fish dishes, vegan vegetarian dishes and desserts. I was very pleased with the content and the tasty meals. I chose this for the healthy dishes and it does not disappoint. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Cookbook. Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? This cookbook is packed with 600 delicious recipes. It will guide you through creating amazing meals. This cookbook covers a wide range of cooking methods. It allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate with ease. This cookbook is specifically designed for your Instant Pot Duo Crisp. It helps you to make the most of its features. Enjoy creating delicious meals without breaking the bank. The recipes are designed to be affordable and accessible. This cookbook combines the best of both worlds. It helps you to master both pressure cooking and air frying techniques. What we like. This cookbook provides a vast collection of recipes, covering various cooking methods. It allows you to explore a wide range of dishes with your Instant Pot Duo Crisp. If you enjoy versatility and want to maximize your Instant Pot's capabilities, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow, nutritious, and delicious. Besides the terrific meals, the appendix includes a measurement conversion chart along with a quick reference guide for air fryer temperature settings and times for different foods. The book offers a wide array of recipes that you and your family will enjoy. Number 3. Instant Vortex Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Are you looking for healthy and easy recipes? This cookbook is perfect for you. It provides a variety of recipes that are simple to follow and delicious to eat. This cookbook is specifically designed for the Instant Vortex Air Fryer oven. It helps you make the most of the appliance. You'll discover how easy it is to create amazing meals. This cookbook is designed for smart people like you. It simplifies cooking and helps you create healthy meals quickly. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to eat better. If you're new to air frying, this cookbook is a great starting point. It offers clear instructions and easy-to-follow recipes. It's designed to help you succeed in the kitchen. With this cookbook, you can enjoy cooking healthy meals. It makes cooking fun and easy. You'll love the results and the convenience it offers. What we like. This cookbook emphasizes healthy eating with its collection of Instant Vortex air fryer recipes. It provides smart and simple recipes for those who want to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. If you are looking for healthy and quick meals, this cookbook is your best choice. What people say. This book is printed very well and easy to read. I personally like size of the book. It's nice to hold while reading recipes. It has a lot of recipes of breakfast, for vegetarians, meat, poultry, seafood, and dessert. The book starts with some advice on using your air fryer and then just goes straight to recipes. I like that all ingredients are simple and easy to find. With a focus on healthier cooking, this cookbook has become my go-to resource for delicious meals without the guilt. There are over 90 recipes to follow and they cover almost everything you would ever want to cook. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Cookbook. Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? This cookbook is packed with 600 recipes. It is the perfect companion for your Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. New to air frying and pressure cooking? Don't worry. This book is designed for beginners, guiding you through every step. It makes cooking easy and enjoyable. From crispy fries to tender roasts, this cookbook covers it all. It offers a wide variety of recipes to satisfy any craving. You will find something new to try every day. Learn how to maximize the potential of your appliance. This book provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It helps you become a pro in no time. With 600 recipes at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. This cookbook is your key to delicious and effortless meals. Get ready to cook. What we like. This cookbook is designed specifically for beginners, offering a comprehensive guide to using your Instant Pot Duo Crisp. It includes a large number of recipes to get you started. If you are a beginner and want a complete guide, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. This cookbook has hundreds of vegetarian recipes and 49 vegan recipes. I was very impressed with all the recipes in this book and easy to follow instructions. This has a good variety of recipes, so there's something for everyone. It is also well organized, so I don't have to flip through the entire book to find what I need. Number 1. Instant Vortex Air Fryer Oven Cookbook. Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? This cookbook is packed with over 1,200 recipes. It will help you create amazing meals with your air fryer. This cookbook is perfect for beginners. It provides easy-to-follow instructions, making it simple to create delicious meals. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Struggling with meal planning? This book includes a 4-week meal plan. It takes the guesswork out of your weekly meals, making healthy eating easier. From appetizers to desserts, this cookbook has it all. It offers a wide variety of recipes to satisfy any craving. It makes cooking fun and exciting. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this cookbook is for you. It's designed to help everyone enjoy the benefits of air frying. You will love the results. What we like. This cookbook offers an extensive collection of recipes, along with a 4-week meal plan. It provides a structured approach to meal planning, making it easier to eat healthy. If you like variety and want a structured meal plan, this cookbook is ideal for you. What people say. This is not a pretty cookbook, but it is a very informative cookbook. It starts out with fundamentals of the Instant Vortex air fryer, which gives detailed instructions on how to use and maintain your air fryer. All the recipes are in the book and can be found in the index. I feel like I'll be using my air fryer a lot more since I purchased this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.